Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another weapon from Fortnite, and this time it's gonna be the burst rifle. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so to draw this, we're gonna start out with the middle part, the receiver. So right here we're gonna draw just a straight line, horizontal line, and then we're gonna go up here, just straight up. And then on this side, we're going to go up a little bit higher. And then we're going to connect it. We can go out straight here and it's just kind of slowly curve up a little bit. Okay, so it looks a little bit cartoony. And then inside here, we're going to draw two lines. Let's close that off. And then there's going to be two more lines here. And then we're going to close this off one more. And then we'll draw a circle in here. Okay, so let's move down. We're gonna come down like right in the middle, just move over a little bit. Gonna draw a little line. This is where the magazine is gonna come out of. And right here, draw a slightly shorter line, and it's gonna just angle it this way. Okay, it doesn't have to be exact as long as you have some kind of angle in there. And then we're gonna give this line just a little bit more detail, just make it a little bit thicker. Okay. And then from here, we're gonna come down, and then here, we're gonna angle it this way now. So we're gonna come down this way. Okay, and then in here, let's add in some detail. There's a circle here, and then we'll draw in a line here. Maybe a little screw there. Okay, so now we're gonna draw the magazine. So right here, we're just gonna come straight down, and it's pretty far down. And then we're gonna come across. And then here we're gonna come down. And again, we're just gonna flare it out right at the tip a little bit, just to make it a little bit cartoony. And then here we draw a little rectangle. And then now with this, now let's draw the grip. So right here, we're gonna curve it out a little bit. And then we're gonna come down at an angle. So it's gonna be almost as far as the magazine area. Okay, and then from here, just come in a little bit and just go straight down, same angle as the other one, slightly longer. That way when we close it, it's gonna angle downward a little bit more. And then there's gonna be two screws here. Let's just draw that in real quick. Okay, so now we gotta draw the trigger. So this one's easy. We're just gonna come down, draw the curve just like that. And then once we have this curve, just give it some thickness, just follow along. And now for the trigger, just draw a little moon shape there. Okay, and then let's see, well, let's draw in the detail in the magazine. So right here in the middle, we're just gonna draw one little line, and then on each side we're gonna draw one more. Just give us some detail. Okay, so that's three of them. And I guess, yeah, it's a little bit weird like this, so I'll just shade it in. Okay. All right, so from here, let's draw the front. So we're gonna come out right here. Just draw a little rectangle, just come out a little bit. And then right around here, this would be in the middle, just go up a little bit higher. Then we're gonna come out straight. Okay, we're gonna draw this, and then here, just come out, close it, and then just go up a little bit, step it up a little bit. Okay, and then from here, now we go up a little bit higher, and then we're gonna curve this. Okay, so we're gonna stop right around here. Now we're gonna draw the bottom part, so we're gonna come down, just hook it, just give it a little bit of a little indentation there. And then now we're gonna come out and meet up with this. So we're gonna come out, just kind of curve it in a little bit. And then from here, we just close it off. Okay, and then let's see, let's draw the barrel now. So we're gonna come out, just come out one rectangle and just divide that a little bit, almost halfway through. Come out, Draw another rectangle, and then another rectangle up here, slightly higher. And then we're gonna go up. This is the sight. Okay. And then now from here, this line here, we'll just extend it. This is gonna be the barrel. So close it off. And now for the muzzle, we're just gonna extend this line a little bit. And then we're gonna go out and just have it flare out a little bit. And then we're gonna close it off with a slant. So it looks a little bit cartoony. So let's see the details in here. There's some straps. So the easy way to do it is just start with this one. Just gonna draw one strap at this angle. And then we're gonna draw another one on this angle. And now we're gonna come down this strap here. And then just one more here. Okay. So let's see, let's draw in some details here. There's gonna be 3 little vents here. 1, 2, 3. And we're almost done. Well, now we just gotta draw the sight. So the sight is just up here. Just have it a little bit curvy. Straight up. Okay, so it's very simple. And then let's see, let's draw the stock at the end. So we're gonna curve out. It's gonna be a little screw there. And then for this, we're gonna go out like this. And then this is just gonna be a metal wire. Okay, so once we have that, now we're just gonna give it some thickness here. So we'll just follow it again. Just follow all the way through. Okay, and then let's see, for this, we just slant it up like this. So it's kind of an very odd angle. Go up. Okay, down. And then just kind of curve it down. Very odd shape. And then there's gonna be another screw here. And that's it for this burst rifle. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please check out my other videos. Give me a thumbs up and I will see you next time.